This rolling utility cart doesn't just transport, it does so much more. Equipped with multiple tiers, sturdy wheels, and a durable frame, MobileMate becomes a companion in your quest for effortless organization. Whether you're storing kitchen essentials, office supplies, or transporting items from one room to another, MobileMate Utility Roll is the portable partner of your organized symphony, offering efficiency in every role. It's not just a cart, it's a symphony of mobile organization. Versatility is MobileMate's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one type of storage, it adapts to your diverse organizational needs. The multiple tiers and compact design ensure that you have an all-in-one solution for various storage challenges, whether you're organizing a home office, decluttering a kitchen, or moving items between rooms. MobileMate Utility Roll is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of organization. It's not just a rolling utility cart, it's an avant-garde solution to your storage versatility. Operation is a breeze with MobileMate Utility Roll. No need for heavy lifting or complicated setups. The rolling design ensures easy maneuverability, and the sturdy construction makes the transportation process seamless, making MobileMate Utility Roll a reliable organizational companion for your daily tasks. It's not just a cart, it's an easy upgrade to a world of mobile organization. But what about durability? MobileMate Utility Roll doesn't just prioritize convenience, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying storage conditions. The sturdy frame and reliable wheels maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your MobileMate cart remains a trustworthy and durable choice for the long run. It's not just a utility cart, it's a durable investment in the efficiency and organization of your living space. Now, let's talk about the experience. MobileMate Utility Roll isn't just a rolling utility cart, it's a sensory delight. The convenience of a mobile design, the versatility in storage, and the overall enhancement of your organizational routine, it's a symphony of modern living efficiency. The experience isn't just about moving items around, it's about turning every storage task into a harmonious blend of convenience and organization. In the grand narrative of home essentials, MobileMate Utility Roll isn't just a cart, it's a revolution. It's a hero that doesn't just transport,